Good morning, students. This is your latest update for our English class. And it's also kind of an update on our school as a whole. As you can see here, we now have a school-wide schedule for distance learning. This past Monday and Tuesday, the administration and the faculty came up with this concept to give some more structure and organization to what we've been doing since March 13th. Parted our ways as the lockdown at schools and our stay-at-home protocols started. So as you can see, second period will meet Mondays and Thursdays from 11:45 to 1:15, and fifth period will meet on Wednesdays and Fridays, also from 11:45 to 1:15 p.m. What does this mean? It does not mean that we're going to have a virtual class every day during that time period, and it doesn't mean that for all your classes either. What it means is that if we were ever going to do something for our class, your weekly work on Research Fridays will not always be on Fridays now, but your work for the research project, those are the days that you can do it. The work for your preparation on that, and as we get further along in the semester, your work on the final portfolio that'll have your resume, a cover letter, all that stuff can be done during this period. We will not be using up all of this time. You see how it has an hour and a half? What I'll be giving you, because all your teachers are supposed to be giving you something to do, what I'll be giving you is what we were doing before. Remember, we did Research Fridays where we'd watch a documentary or we'd listen to a podcast. So I'm going to upload a podcast, and the podcast is about 40 minutes, not 90 minutes. So you listen to it, respond to a few questions, and then you can go about your business doing the rest of the work for your other courses. I'll also be including once a week an article that I'd like for you to read on vocab.com. And the great thing about those articles is that they'll have some vocabulary activities for you to work with. This will be something to do for some more points. Some of you could really use some more points. If you heard the announcement that the superintendent made last Monday, schools are going to be closed all the way through summer. But just because schools are closed doesn't mean that your education stops. It just means that we're not meeting on campus. We're still doing work here. It saddens me that so few of you are checking in. So let's do some shout outs here for those of you that are. So in fifth period, I put a poll up the other day. We had 8 people like it and 9 people voted. Thank you, David. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Angelica. Thank you, Eduardo. Thank you, Janine. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Edwin. That was fifth period. Second period had only 6 people, even though 7 voted. So, thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, Cynthia. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Thais. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Grace. Hopefully the next time we do this, I can thank all of you in all the classes. If you have any questions, please ask. As usual, I'm going to ask that you hit the like button so that I know who is actually looking and who we need to be concerned about and contact because they aren't checking in. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay creative. See you soon.